Excel 2013 for project management, Gantt charts and timelines. A project manager's toolkit must be equipped with the right tools to chart a course, allocate resources, and keep everyone on the same page. Excel 2013, a trusted and widely used spreadsheet software, plays a vital role in facilitating these tasks. Understanding Gantt charts. A Gantt chart is a visual project management tool that provides a clear and intuitive representation of a project's timeline and task schedule. It uses horizontal bars to depict individual tasks, with the length of each bar indicating the task's duration. Creating a Gantt chart in Excel 2013. Here are step-by-step instructions on how to create a basic Gantt chart in Excel 2013. Step 1. Prepare your data. Open Microsoft Excel 2013 and create a new worksheet. If you have task dependencies, $#, that is what I means $#, some tasks can only start when others are completed. Create another column to define these dependencies. Step 2. Create a stacked bar chart. Highlight the data you've entered in columns A, B, and C. Click on the Bar Chart drop-down and select Stacked Bar. A bar chart will appear on your worksheet. Step 3. Format the bar chart. Right-click on the chart and click Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, click Add to add the task names from column A as the horizontal, category, axis labels. Step 4. Adjust dates. To set the timeline on the chart, right-click on the date axis and select Format Axis. Customizing Gantt charts. Customizing Gantt charts in Excel 2013 is an essential step to make your project management tool not only functional but also visually appealing and tailored to your project's unique requirements. These customizations not only enhance the functionality and readability of your Gantt chart but also make it an effective communication tool for project management and collaboration. Adding and managing tasks. Adding and managing tasks is a fundamental aspect of creating and maintaining a Gantt chart in Excel 2013, which is essential for effective project management. Adding tasks. Open your Excel Gantt chart. Ensure that you have your Gantt chart spreadsheet open in Excel 2013, where you've already set up your task list. Insert a new row. To add a new task, insert a row in your task list. Managing tasks. Editing tasks. To make changes to an existing task, simply click on the cell where the task information is located, and you can edit the task's name, start date, duration, or other details. Reordering tasks. If your project task order changes, you can easily reorder tasks by selecting the entire row corresponding to the task and dragging it to the desired position. Deleting tasks. If a task is no longer part of the project, you can delete it by selecting the row associated with the task and right-clicking to choose Delete. Setting dependencies. Setting task dependencies in your Excel 2013 Gantt chart is a pivotal step in project management. Excel's Gantt chart, when properly configured with task dependencies, can automatically adjust task start dates based on the completion of predecessor tasks. Adjusting timeframes. Adjusting timeframes in an Excel 2013 Gantt chart is a pivotal activity in project management, as it enables project managers to accommodate changes, adapt to unforeseen challenges, and maintain project timelines. Critical path analysis. Critical path analysis, CPA, is a fundamental project management technique, and in the context of a Gantt chart created in Excel 2013, it plays a vital role in identifying the project's critical path, which is akin to the project's lifeline. Moreover, critical path analysis is an ongoing process. Resource management. Resource management within the framework of an Excel 2013 Gantt chart is a pivotal element of project management, as it empowers project managers to optimize the allocation of human resources, an invaluable asset for project success. By integrating resource management into a Gantt chart, project teams are better equipped to optimize resource utilization, minimize conflicts, and deliver projects within scope, on time, and within budget. Tracking progress. Tracking progress is a critical part of project management, and in the context of a Gantt chart created in Excel 2013, it allows project managers to monitor the project's advancement and ensure that it stays on schedule. Update task completion. In Excel 2013, you can do this by adjusting the % completion or changing the colors of taskbars. Track milestones. Pay special attention to project milestones, which mark significant project achievements. Use color coding. Color coding can be a useful technique in Excel 2013. Provide regular progress reports to your project team and stakeholders, using the Gantt chart as a visual aid. Exporting and sharing. Exporting and sharing your Gantt chart, crafted in Excel 2013, is the bridge that connects your project management insights with your project team and stakeholders. Conclusion. Gantt charts, with their visual representation of project tasks and dependencies, offer project managers a dynamic tool to plan, execute, and track projects effectively. Excel 2013 fosters transparency, collaboration, and informed decision-making, ensuring that projects are not only completed on time but with greater efficiency and precision. Excel 2013 stands as an enduring and indispensable partner, ready to assist you in achieving your project management goals.